Imagine a world where the force of gravity remains a mystery, never to be discovered. Picture a reality where Newton never witnesses the falling, Apple and Einstein never delves into the realm of relativity. Without the fundamental understanding of gravity, the very fabric of science would unravel before us. In this alternate universe, airplanes would be grounded, satellites would be inconceivable, and GPS technology would not exist. Imagine a world where we still believe the sun revolves around the Earth, and floating objects are seen as nothing but magic. Technological advancements would be halted, leaving us stranded in a sea of confusion and uncertainty. Life on this gravityless Earth would be a nightmare of unpredictability. With no force to keep us grounded, every movement would be a carefully calculated risk. Buildings would float aimlessly, and the oceans would lift towards the sky, defying the laws we never knew existed. As our planet drifts apart, the consequences of not mastering gravity would be catastrophic. From cities floating without control to a fractured world disappearing into the void of space, we would be helpless witnesses to our own demise. Even the enigmatic black holes would remain shrouded in mystery, their existence an enigma without gravity to guide our understanding. In conclusion, gravity is not just a force, it's the unseen hero that shapes our world. Without its discovery, we would be lost in a chaotic universe of endless floating and confusion. So let us ponder the possibilities of a world without gravity, and imagine what other mysteries we may be missing in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Share your thoughts with us, and stay tuned for more revelations about the strange wonders of the universe. What if time stopped for just 1 second? Let's dive deeper into the mysteries that surround us.